Unraveling the Mystery, the Power of Gut Feeling. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard before. I had a gut feeling. This phrase is a wonderful example of how English speakers use idiomatic expressions to convey complex ideas in a simple way. Stick around as we break down what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. A gut feeling is an intuitive sensation, or a strong instinctive feeling, about something or someone, without a logical rationale. It's like an internal voice or sensation that guides your decisions or judgments, even if you can't exactly explain why you feel that way. Imagine you're walking down a street, and suddenly, without any clear reason, you decide to take a different route. Later, you find out there was a construction delay on your usual path. That sudden decision to change paths was based on a gut feeling. The term, gut, refers to the stomach area, but why do we associate this part of the body with intuition? Historically, many cultures believed that the gut was the seat of emotion and intuition. This belief has carried into modern language through phrases like gut feeling. It reflects the physical sensations we often feel in our stomach area when we're nervous or excited, which seems to guide our intuition. Let's see how gut feeling can be used in everyday language with some examples. When I first met him, I had a gut feeling he would become a good friend of mine. I didn't have any evidence, but my gut feeling told me not to trust that news report. Even though all the signs were pointing to yes, my gut feeling said it wasn't the right decision. These examples show how gut feelings can influence our decisions, perceptions, and social interactions. Using idiomatic expressions like gut feeling can add depth to your English communication. Here are a few tips. Listen for the phrase in English-speaking media. How do characters or speakers use it? Try to use the phrase in your own decision-making process. Can you identify a moment when you're relying on your intuition? Describe it using, I had a gut feeling. Discuss the concept with friends or language partners. Do they experience gut feelings? How do they describe them in English or their own language? Understanding and using phrases like gut feeling can significantly enrich your English vocabulary and help you convey complex ideas in simple, relatable terms. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the nuances that make a language beautiful and unique. We hope this video has given you insight into one of English's many fascinating expressions. Don't forget to trust your gut feelings in your language learning journey and beyond. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.